Word order in present simple questions. The order of words in an English question in present simple is question word, auxiliary, subject, and infinitive. What do you do? Where do they live? In yes/no questions, questions that we answer saying yes or no, there is no question word. Do you speak English? Does she live here? Questions with am, is, or are. When the verb in the sentence is be, we use am, is, or are as the auxiliary verb before the subject. Then the word order is question word, auxiliary am, is, or are, and the subject. Where are the kids? When is the lesson? Why am I the only one in the class? Questions with do, does. When we have a verb that is not be, we use do or does as the auxiliary verb. We use does with he, she, it, and do with I, you, we, they. Remember that the main verb after the subject is in the infinitive form, not s or es. What does she do? Where does he work? What plus noun. We often use the question word what plus noun as a question word. What time, what color, what size, etc. What color is your jacket? What size do you want? What car does he have? How plus adjective or adverb. We can also use how plus adjective or adverb as a question word in phrases like how often, how old, how tall, etc. How fast is your car? How big is her house? How often do you play sports? If a verb is followed by a preposition, listen to, talk about, the preposition goes at the end of the question. What are you talking about? Not about what are you talking.